guys, I'm Tina, I'm the oldest of the trio. This is my first video and I'm going to be showing you guys my room makeover that I filmed a couple weeks ago. So in quarantine I was pretty bored and also I was pretty unmotivated in my old setup. I don't know about you guys, I can't work in a cluttered space, but it wasn't just cluttered, I was really sick of my setup. So for this video, all I spent was my time. I basically spent $0 moving stuff around and organizing my things. So don't expect like a full makeover, different colored walls. But if you're into rearranging and just like cleaning with me, those kind of videos, I think you enjoyed this video. Also guys, I'd just like to apologize for my my look in the video. I was wearing this hoodie that was like a faded Vans hoodie. I think it's because it was fake, but I looked like a bum. Tyler actually told me you should go change, and I was like, no one's gonna judge me. But then afterwards, while I was editing, I was judging myself. So now I'll just show you guys a few before clips, and then I'll show you guys the after towards the end.
So this is my room beforehand. It was really messy, really cluttered. As you can see, there's so much stuff going on. No matter how much I cleaned, then it was just like going back to being messy. Moving on, this is where I usually study. It's my desk. I had no motivation and I just was really sick of the setup. So yeah, here's my bed, my wall pimple, and this is my mirror. So let's get started. So right now I'm just organizing my chargers and I'm just taking the things that I had on my desk off of it so that I can move my desk. Honestly, this is probably the 5th time I've moved my desk and organized this quarantine, but I'm doing it again. Now I'm moving my desk and I'm also moving the plastic storage box that I had on the side. I took the stuff that I had on the head of my bed and now I'm taking out the pillows and blankets, and now I'm moving the desk so that I can make space with the help of my dad, and right now just moving things around. So quarantine has really like made me appreciate going outside and enjoying the weather. I used to love winter so much, but now I hate it. I'm so excited for spring and summer. So right now I'm showing how I flipped my bed and also all of the stuff on my desk. It's really messy, but I'm gonna be cleaning it right now. So now I'm moving my desk basically opposite of where it was beforehand, and that's Pete, my dad, doing something in the mirror while I'm cleaning. So now I'm moving my bedside table to the side of my bed so I can actually have a place to put my phone on at nighttime, because it used to just be a mirror next to my bed. And I decided to put a mirror next to my desk like this, and my desk is so messy, but I'll show you guys. I'll be organizing it right now. Not gonna lie, it was so satisfying to see the change in my desk since it was so messy before. And now I'm onto my bedside table. I'm spraying and wiping my surface, and now I'm organizing the things inside the drawers of my bedside table. And then I kept changing my mind about what I wanted to put on my bedside table. You see how indecisive I am. So the light was casting a weird shadow on my desk, so I closed it, and now I'm reorganizing my desk because I changed my mind yet again. And then I kind of didn't like the look of my mesh board, so I took it out, and right now I'm reorganizing the pictures on them. I'm thinking of putting the mesh board somewhere else other than my desk. So before, my dad helped me move my closet and this bookshelf, but I didn't really like it, so I decided to change it. And now I'm proceeding to push the closet with the least amount of sound possible because I didn't want my dad to know that I was scraping the floor. Now I'm taking all the things out of my bookshelf because I'm thinking of flipping it. Having the bookshelf this way gave me more space because essentially it was like acting like another table and I could put stuff on the top. But then I realized that it was also causing me to hoard more stuff and then make my room look even messier. So I think it'll look better this way. And right now I'm just cleaning my shelf and there was a lot of dust. Just cleaned it and now I'm going to start filling in my bookshelf. So the angle makes it hard to see, but I was organizing my creative box where I put my pens, pencils, and I was organizing the stuff that I didn't want to keep and the stuff I wanted to keep. So now I'm adding some color swatches to my bookshelf and also a message from my grandma to remind me to pray and feed every day, which sometimes I forget, well, like 99% of the time. And I left the space for Catholic merch because my grandma's gonna kill me if I take it out of my room. And Mary. So here's the mesh rod from before. I decided to leave it on top of the bookshelf because it looks kind of empty. And now I'm folding the clothes that I took out of my closet before. This is just some of them. That's not all the clothes I have, I promise. Anyways, now I'm cleaning my bed and I'm putting back the stuff and just organizing it. I know my bed sheets don't match, but like that kind of summarizes my life. And right now I'm sweeping my floor and sweeping all the stuff that I collected while I was walking around and moving stuff. And I know that's gross, that pile. Yikes. I feel like low-key, like the ending is kind of anticlimactic, but I don't know, it looks better in real life, just not on camera though. So I'm done. This is my room. And now I'm going to be showing my before and after. Cue catfish lighting.
I had a lot of fun doing it. I really liked it. I think it looks better in real life than just a camera.
So thank you guys for watching me clean my room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Thanks for clicking.